fair question.
No, I'm talking to you right now.
For what?
Because he looks suspicious dropping off a package at the post office. I don't know, man. Hey,
No, answer the question.
I am. Oh my god. I told him I'm filming dropping off a package and he doesn't get it, I guess. Oh my god. I can't even answer people's questions now. ¿No quiere el package? Hey. Oh. You can pull it out once you put it in. There's some type of roll that it goes in.
Cool.
What you guys are doing?
You can ask.
What are you guys doing?
I choose not to answer.
Okay, I have something in the car I can get out that will damage everything you have. If that's what you want, let's go for it.
Is that what you want?
You guys obviously want trouble or you wouldn't be doing this.
Wow.
That's a little mail, lady. Huh? That's a little mail.
Jeez.
Oh, so he said he had what? He has what? I want to check that out. Do you see something? Oh, he has a phone. He has a cookie. Didn't that sound like a thread? Is he carrying like chemicals or something? I thought what he had inside a roll.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, excuse
you
me.
touched me. What the hell,
Get the
man?
fuck away from me,
Keep your
dumb
hands
dick.
off me. I'm calling the police.
I got you on tape, dumbass.
Me, man.
Look, I got you on tape, you dumbass.
Dude, you
Hey,
assaulted me.
straight up, I got you on tape, you dumb piece of shit. Straight up, I got you on tape.
That's fantastic, man.
Yeah, I got you on tape. 148.5, dumbass. Ooh,
What an
look,
idiot.
He's shaking. He's even shaking.
What an idiot.
If you approach me, dude,
I'll tell you what.
what the fuck are you gonna do, you bitch?
You're
What
about
the
to
fuck are
get
you
your
gonna do?
fucking ass
Let me see
handed
that.
to you.
Let me see it, bitch. Let me see it, fucking bitch. I wanna see you fucking touch me, bitch. Oh, motherfucker. I wanna see you touch me, little bitch. You just assaulted him. You're going to jail. I'm a witness to it. I got it on tape. I got it on tape and get it on tape.
I got it on 360, man.
He got it on 360.
Yeah,
you
can
don't
you send
fuck.
someone down to the post office? You guys got a couple of people down here with cameras recording people and trying to start problems.
You're the only one starting problems, you dumb dickhead.
I got his VIN number now.
Alright, good.
I'm good, man.
You
Don't worry
can,
about
you can
me.
run. You can run. I got you on tape. I'm a witness to it.
Yeah, you gotta
fuck.
send medical for this guy. His blood
Send
pressure is
medical, he's shaking.
You know
skyrocketing.
what?
He's shaking. He's shaking. He's shaking.
Oh shit, he's shaking
Ooh,
out of
getting
control.
agitated right now. He just got a couple himself. Ooh, he's asking for a lieutenant now.
Oh.
Ooh, someone just stick his foot up his ass.
There's some problems down at the post office.
Someone just stuck his foot up his ass.
Not
Ooh.
asking that answer what they're doing. Can
Ooh, you
send the
stick
card
your
down
foot
there?
up your ass, my friend. Ooh. I straight up got you on tape bumping on him for no
Oh
reason.
yeah.
Yeah.
They're recording people outside. As I was
Yeah.
coming out, the guy walked in and ran into me.
No, I got you on tape. I got you on tape running onto him. I got you on tape, fool.
How can I
No,
block
no,
you and
just-
run into you
I
at the
got
same
you on
time, you
tape.
dumb
I got
idiot?
it on tape. Assaulting
Can you
him.
hear-
I got
can you
it
hear
on
him in the
tape. I
background?
got it on tape. He bumped into him. He's lying. That's 148.5. He's gonna go to jail today.
My
You've
name's
been a
Ward.
good boy your whole life. Now you're gonna catch a case, homie. Yeah.
66,
White privilege is not gonna work here no more.
4443.
Your white privilege is not gonna work here anymore, fool.
Yeah.
That's right.
No, just a patron, and he's basically claiming, or he's assaulting me and insulting me from a
Yeah,
racial
your white
standpoint,
privilege
so-
isn't gonna work. You
My
lies, bro.
white
You think
privilege isn't
your
gonna
skin
work.
color is gonna save you, fool.
Well,
That's
he-
right.
He's
That's
dressed
right.
like a clown. You know
That's
what a clown
right.
dresses like?
You
Bright
wish you
colors,
be dressed
he's
like
got a
me,
shirt,
fool. You
black
wish.
pants, the other
Look
guy's
at
all
you,
in
Los
black.
Angeles. How much that shit cost? $20 for a Lakers
He looks-
game, piece of shit.
You know, he's got a mask
Yeah,
on
that's right,
and
dude.
a
Shut the fuck
visor,
up.
and he
Shut the
looks
fuck
like
up. Look at you. Yeah, that's right.
looks
Don't make fun
Hispanic
of
to
me,
me,
fool.
but I couldn't be sure.
Yeah, well maybe we should let them know that you threatened us before you
Where
walked
the fuck are
in.
you from?
There's two of them, yeah.
Tell
yeah.
him you're a Pelican descendant. Tell him. Tell him. That's right.
And they're filming me and recording all
That's
this.
right.
He's got a bright blue shirt on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. You just bumped into my homie. I'm a witness to you. I got it on tape.
Yep. Long sleeve, yep.
I got it on tape.
Black.
Black. Oh yeah, I'm wearing black.
All black. I would say he looks Hispanic. He's got a black hat on, glasses, a mask covering. He's taking my picture.
I would say he looks European. He looks European. The guy that's calling you right now. He doesn't know his rights. He's acting like not an American
all black,
person.
yeah. Like he thinks
He's
something
acting
like
like he's not American. Are you an American?
literally at the
Hey,
front door.
let's
Are you
hear him
American?
profile
Are
us.
you American?
Let's hear him profile
Are you
us.
an
Don't
American?
say anything.
You're profiling now. Ooh, you're profiling now.
Yep, right at the front door. Yep, stand by
Ooh.
my car.
Ooh. That's right.
Crybaby. What a crybaby. He's still
We
shaking.
got you.
Oh,
on
you know
tape.
what? You know, they might follow me there. That'd be interesting. If they
No, they might follow me there.
Ooh. Ooh, well, I'm not going inside because I have to drop off a package. Ooh, do you have cameras over there? He had the balls to bump into me, huh? He knew that we were gonna crack him after that. Like after he did that, he knew. He's like, nope, these guys are gonna get us.
Well, yeah, I don't care. He's taking pictures of me. Take your post office. See, they're obviously trying to provoke something. Not sure what or why. Maybe once the officers finish. I have a jeans and a light blue t-shirt on that says Dodgers on the front.
Ooh.
This is coward on the back too.
He's getting ready to get his, you get someone here quick, because he's getting ready to get his ball back.
This is coward in the back and enter on the butt.
Look, he's breathing heavily right there. Look.
And he threatened us that he had something in the car that was going to destroy everything that we had in our hands.
Yeah.
He won't get me in trouble. I'll get myself in trouble.
Yeah, you're going to get yourself in trouble.
Oh, he won't get him in trouble, so he's friends with the lieutenant. There's a thing called public records request, and I'm going to public records request your call, and I'm going to post it online to see what white privilege is, fool. All your friends that are trying to say you, they're gonna get in trouble too. I'm gonna get your call, fool. It's called California public records request, dummy. I'm gonna get your call and I'm gonna listen to everything you say. Have fun. Have fun.
Like I said,
Have fun.
they're saying they're going to take all this and post it online and whatnot. So I'm not comfortable with
Tell
that.
them I'm gonna make a public records request on the phone call. You just need. Tell them.
You're not comfortable? Are your feelings hurt, boy?
Just go and get something that I can.
Yep, I'm gonna get you in trouble. Watch out. I'm gonna put.
Yeah, you get whatever you want, crybaby.
Devices from them and destroy them
Yep.
so that they can't post anything online. So.
Yep.
Is that okay if I do that?
You go ahead and do whatever you want, crybaby. We'll let the law handle you.
Ooh, he said he was gonna talk to his lieutenant so he won't get him in trouble. But I'm gonna get that phone call, I'm gonna place a public records request, and I'm gonna get that recording of your call, man, and I'm gonna post it online so people can hear all the
trying
lines.
to provoke people. Like I said, I'm the only one that
Have
you guys
fun.
got
It's
something
illegal.
written into. I don't know.
It's illegal. It's the law. I can get your phone conversation off your phone if I want to now.
I can't believe this guy's law enforcement and he's lying. He's lying on record right
I
now.
own you now, fool. I own you now. I own you.
Yeah.
They're you know, they're just standing here watching. I get this.
We like taking pictures of cowards that lie. You're the perfect example. Lying cowards.
You should ask them. Ask them. Ask them and tell them. All the public records.
You need some butthurt cream, man? Seems like you might need some butthurt cream right about now. Seems like your butthole's burning. Butthole's burning, isn't it?
Hey, I'm gonna go live.
I saw an officer just drive by me.
Yeah, he don't care about you.
He doesn't care about you.
Let's run. Let's run. So I was walking into the post office and this guy got in our face on the way in, said that he had something in the car that was going to break all of our stuff, destroy all of our stuff, he said. And as I turned around to walk into the post office, he came storming out right at the same time and threw his body against mine, claiming that I ran into him. So he got on the phone with dispatch. He's crying that somebody in dispatch already gave his personal ID number and everything. This is an off-duty, possibly police officer, or maybe even you know, some type of law enforcement. Here comes PD now, guys.
She's like 300 pounds or something. Come on, let's go.
Your daddy's here, bitch.
Come on. Come on, Dougie. Come on, Dougie. Come on, Dougie. There you go, Dougie.
I should get a real fucking job.
Shut up, stupid.
Come on, Dougie. Hi, guys.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it record because the phone can be made with the cups and I'm gonna call you online. What you said. Go ahead. I want you to take it, fool. Dad?
He's already threatened us 3 times and he ran into me.
Hey guys,
What's
what
up, man?
group are you with?
Group.
What?
Are you with a certain group or?
No.
Anything like that?
No.
So usually there's groups that'll say, hey, we're with so-and-so.
No.
That's
no,
why I
no.
was just asking.
We're just
Oh, no.
individuals. We're just individuals.
Okay. What's audio, video recording notes you may be recorded?
Yeah, live streaming too on YouTube right now.
Okay. What are you guys trying to do or achieve? I don't know. I've never talked to you guys before.
We were just out here
trying to
conducting
send
some
it.
business and filming at the same time, man. But
And-
you know, this guy on the way in, because we were standing out in the front,
Right.
he threatened us with violence. Said he was gonna get something to destroy everything we had, which
And
is
his
fine.
car.
I don't care. But you know, I was walking into the post office and he stormed out at the same time and ran into me, saying that I blocked his
And I got it on tape.
entrance or whatever. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I got a 360 going, GoPro.
That's
I got the wide angle on the phone, and I got still shots, man. So he could claim all
I'd
he
like to
wants.
put on that pole that you can set it up. That's kind of a cool gig.
Yeah.
That's
At the
heavy as
bottom,
well.
how it folds
Hell
up,
yeah,
and
hell
then
yeah.
You can fold it
So
down, have a tripod.
before he claims anything, man, I'm just telling you, I got the whole thing
I know
recorded,
there's at
man.
least two sides to every story.
Yeah. So
You know, and I get that, and I try to give everyone the same respect to tell me their side as to what happened and why. What business were you guys working for? You said you came in to drop.
Yeah,
some-
no, I came to buy some stamps, but apparently I hadn't had enough because this is not 55-cent stamp.
No, that's not.
It's a 4.25, so I thought I could send like a picture.
No, those you actually, the priority mail, you actually have to have a
4.75.
label, and you can buy them on those
Yeah,
machines.
she gave it to me the green one. So yeah, I got it, but thank you.
No problem. Yeah, some people, I don't know, you guys work here in town, or is this your first time?
yeah, we work here in town.
Yeah,
You work here in town?
Yeah.
Do you always come and record like this when you guys come here to the post office?
If I do come, yeah, I will. Yeah.
Okay, I've been here 17 years, and I've never seen you guys out here recording.
Oh,
And
okay.
I've never been out here for a call for service because you guys were recording. So that's why I'm curious.
Yeah.
You ever heard of the term don't shit where you eat? We're
Oh, I
trying
heard
not to
that. I heard
shit
it
where
before
we
you
eat,
sleep.
man.
Yeah, that too.
But you know, we run
Oh.
into douchebags like this that want to cause a big old problem and a big old scene for nothing.
No, some
And you know,
people
he's over there wasting
they-
your guys' time, so we gotta
Yeah.
expose him.
You got to kind of understand there's two sides to everything, and some people
Yeah.
don't like the picture, even though in public, you
Right.
know, they don't like the picture taken.
I mean, just
I mean,
because I'm standing here with,
reasonableness, right?
with a camera doesn't give you, you know, that authority to come up and say, I'm going to come up and destroy everything you got just
No,
because
I-
you don't like what I'm doing.
No.
I understand your feelings are hurt or you don't like it, but it doesn't give you that authority to say, you know, off-duty law enforcement, I'm going to get my buddies out here. You know, that's some bullshit.
Yeah, kind of. It
Did he
is.
say that?
Yeah.
He said he was gonna talk to the lieutenant.
I'm going
and-
to I'm going to destroy their stuff, and then I'm going to talk to my lieutenant so I won't get in trouble.
Get in trouble. But he literally
And
doesn't
then
know.
the dispatcher told him, "Oh, don't get yourself in. Don't do that. You're gonna get yourself. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself in trouble," is what he said. I'm not gonna get anybody else in trouble, just myself. So he knows it's you know, premeditated is what he's doing.
And it's crazy how he didn't do anything when he entered.
Yeah,
He said
when
when
we
he
didn't
came
even-
Let me
back,
ask you guys this question. When you guys bring the cameras out, what is it that you're trying to make sure you record?
Oh, we just want to make sure that you know the post office treats us right. You know, but
Oh, so you take it in with you into the
yeah,
post
yeah,
office?
of
What I
course.
would like is for me to go inside the post office and have people not even mind what I'm doing.
And have
Like
what?
just do my thing, And
I'm sorry, I didn't catch what you said.
It's just for people to not even mind. Like for me to go in like a regular person, just come out and see that people are actually educated on the First Amendment and what we can do. And there's people that are gonna ask, "What are you doing?" I mean, like,
Yeah, we're not out here. You know, we didn't start putting the camera on him until he came up and said, hey,
I
blah,
can
blah,
give you
blah,
my
blah, blah,
information.
you know, and made a big old thing. So, okay, so now we're going to put the camera on you, you know? So that's what it is, man. This guy is kind of out of line. Does he work for you guys or what?